This week we might be facing some upwards movement on euro dollar, and let me explain over here. On the weekly chart, what do we have? Alright, so we have a retest of the previous high, market came down, and we have seems like a minimum candlesticks confirmation coming up. We will still need one more for confirmation, but with this you can pretty much say that this week there is a potential that the market might have a slight upwards movement, something to take note. To the daily chart, what we see over here, a series of bearish movement, so having a bit of retracement, I think is pretty normal for the market movement, especially on the euro dollar. To the 4-hour chart, this is what we have. Well, if you are looking for a buying opportunity, a conservative way of doing it is to wait for the market to break and close above this level, 1.0786, close above it. A pullback happen, cannot close below this low during the pullback, and you can wait for a buying opportunity, and it will be better if you are trading with something that you have tested, something you are comfortable with. And to the 1-hour chart, this is what we have. Offhand, you can wait for a buying opportunity over here at 1.0736 as support, or at this level 1.024 as well. So if you are new to this, scan this QR code to get into our community where you get to interact with like-minded people. So our community looks something like this. Remember to go to the verify channel, click this emoji over here, and you get to access to our traders cafe where you get to interact with other traders over here. What's important for you is to click this pin message over here and redeem your free training by clicking this link, register your account, the password will be sent to your registered email. And over here, this is how you redeem your free training. Over here, you are able to learn how to trade, how to read trends correctly, and how to set stops and targets. So if this is something that interests you, you want to get coached by myself, or you want to expose yourself to more contents, then drop me a DM. We have to make sure you are ready to be coached before accepting you as our students. If you scroll down further, this gives you an idea the kind of traders we are. As you can see, most of our trades give us a more than 2:1 reward is to risk. Alright, and by having that, you just need a 40% accuracy rate to be profitable. So if this is something that interests you, you want to just spend 15 minutes a day to do your analysis, set alerts, and engage trade and just let it run, then drop us a DM. Back to our euro dollar, and let me just share with you my analysis over here. So over here, what we have is a retest of the previous high, but we have an RSI divergence that signals us a shorting opportunity. That's why for the past 1 month, we've been focusing on selling. But right now, we might just have a bit of pullback for this week. Pretty much, I think it's a good idea to look for a buying opportunity. Daily chart, if you're looking for buying opportunity, one of the most immediate way is to wait for a support level at 1.0530 for a buying opportunity over here. Candles shouldn't break and close below 1.0481. That is why this blue box over here is for. To the 4-hour chart, if you are still into a selling opportunity, as long as the market didn't break and close above 1.0802, then that would be the level that you can wait for a shorting opportunity based on your engagement. 1-hour chart, this is what we have. We have the best of both worlds. Shorting opportunity, you can wait for a retest at 1.0779 or as early as 1.0773. If you're looking for buying opportunity, then the levels will be between 1.0723 to 1.0712. One thing to take note, make sure the candlesticks should not break and close out of this lower end of the box. So if you'd like to learn an additional skills to generate additional income, so you have more times to do the things you love to do, if you have the concern that you do not have any financial background and wonder if you are able to pick up these skills, drop me a DM. We will see if you're a good fit before accepting you as our students.